Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 21st, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. From legal battles and App Store controversies to streaming service challenges and regulatory changes, we've got it all covered. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple is currently embroiled in a legal dispute with the Department of Justice over allegations of maintaining an illegal monopoly in the smartphone market. In a recent New Jersey court hearing, Apple sought to dismiss the case, arguing the government's claims lack concrete evidence of monopoly power. The DOJ, however, insists that Apple's market influence is significant enough to impact competition and consumer pricing. This lawsuit, filed earlier this year, highlights issues like message quality between iPhones and Android devices and restrictions on third-party smartwatch functionality. With a ruling expected by January, the case's outcome could be influenced by the incoming administration's stance on big tech. In another legal tussle, the popular music streaming app Musi was removed from Apple's App Store following copyright complaints from YouTube. Users who previously downloaded Musi can still use it, but cannot re-download it if they update their devices. This has led to user frustration and a lawsuit from Musi against Apple, claiming breach of contract. Apple argues that Musi is not in immediate danger, as existing users can still stream music. The legal proceedings are expected to take months, with a hearing scheduled for January. Apple TV Plus has invested over $20 billion in original content since 2019, yet struggles to capture a significant share of the streaming market, holding only 0.3% of US screen time as of June 2024. Despite a library of acclaimed shows and movies, Apple TV Plus lags behind giants like Netflix and Prime Video. Limited marketing efforts and a smaller content library are cited as reasons for its low viewership. Apple is exploring strategies like licensing original films to other platforms and possibly introducing advertisements to boost revenue. The U.S. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau has announced that Apple will now be regulated as a bank due to the widespread use of Apple Pay. This new regulatory framework, effective next month, allows the CFPB to monitor Apple's financial practices similarly to traditional banks. This move reflects a global trend of increasing regulation on tech companies offering financial services. Apple has been proactive in adjusting its policies in anticipation of such changes, particularly in response to European Union requirements. Apple Maps has made significant strides in the US and Japan, surpassing Google Maps in map accuracy and usability. A recent user experience highlighted the app's improved functionality for planning multi-stop journeys. However, navigation directions in Japanese require changing the system language, a noted drawback. Despite this, Apple Maps' integration with other Apple services is winning over users. Shazam has reached a milestone of 100 billion song recognitions, marking a significant achievement in music discovery. Since its inception in 2002 and joining Apple in 2018, Shazam has introduced features like music recognition on iOS and macOS. With over 300 million monthly active users, Shazam continues to enhance the music discovery experience. KingCoo is a new AI-powered kitchen assistant app designed to simplify meal planning and cooking. It offers personalized recipe suggestions based on available ingredients, helping reduce food waste. The app supports dietary preferences and includes features like a smart calendar and pantry management. Available for free, KingCoo has received positive feedback for its convenience and privacy-focused design. An article critiques Apple's approach to software distribution, contrasting the iPhone's controlled environment with the more open Mac system. While the App Store has created a thriving app economy, it also monopolizes software distribution, leading to high fees and restrictions. In contrast, the Mac allows more flexibility with notarization, balancing security and user freedom. The author advocates for the Mac's model as a standard for future computing devices. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories discussed. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.